This is Larry with Country Boy Customs. We're going to show you how to install this decal on the front of this batwing fairing. It is a little difficult. You may need some professional help. But anyways, I'm going to give you an idea how to do it or how I do it. It does come in a clear tape so it can stretch to fit into this bow or into this area here, because when you set the decal up, you can see it's going to give you a funny look. But for me, the way I install this decal is I'd set it up to find out about where it goes. I usually take some masking tape and we'll put it on and tape the decal where it needs to be. Let me get a knife. See if you can find that back. Thank you, sir. So we're going to set the decal up to where it needs to be. Usually I find the bottom about where I want it to be. Look at the top, kind of line the top line up, and then I'm going to tape this decal here to where so it's not moving. I'm going to come down and do the bottom on the same side. Thank you, Clay. Here's your knife back, so I'm drop it. And we're gonna drop this one down and hit it at the same spot and kind of just tape it. I know the decal looks a little funny at this point, but we're not going to worry a lot about that. So then we're going to pull this section back. That's where I'll take me a knife, a pair of scissors, whatever you want to use. It's your preference. And I'll just cut this into a line. Now you can see I kind of screwed up and got this here. I want a straight line from top to bottom because I don't want paper to be into my decal. So I'm going to do another cut straight and straight. All right, I'm going to start with my thumb and I'm going to work this decal down and start working it. And I'm going to work my top line down, and then I'm going to come down and work my second line. And as you can see, I've got my top two of my flag done. These bottom ones are not done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this one to stick. And I'm going to start holding, I'm going to hold it down. And we're going to peel this back up off of here and leave this part of the decal down. Now we're going to take this next stripe and we're going to work it into where it goes. And then we're going to take the next stripe down below it and we're going to do the same thing. Now here, you can see it's kind of purling up, so we'll just kind of work it in the way it needs to go. We're going to pull the back section back. To work it back, got the bottom section, working it back. And you need to work them slow to make sure that they stay on the bite. So now we're going to work this section back, and now we're going to do the very bottom one. The bottom one's going to kind of come under, and you can see it's coming up. But where this is vinyl, you can always take and pull it back, get it set up. This piece is not adhered yet because it's not been heated or set down, so we can pull it up and kind of slide it down to where it looks a little bit better. All right. Now that we've got that section done, we're going to remove our tape. We're going to pull the decal back off and we're going to remove all of the backing. Now you can see we're going to kind of just work it and put it back into where it goes on my center line. I've picked my center stripe and I'm going to come in and work it. Now I'm going to come down below it. Now I'm going to try to do the same thing like I've done just up at the top. I'm going to pull it back up. I'm going to get this piece here and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to kind of set it where I want it. I'll pull it back up. And then we're going to do the bottom. We're going to set the bottom where we want it. I'm not going to worry about this area here yet. Now you can see we've got these in here. Now we're falling it down. I'm going to pull this up to here and then do these here. Do the rest of my stripes on here. Come up to the top one, same principle, all the way up. Now your stars look like they're a little messed up. They are going to set wherever they set. You're not going to be able to make them with the way this decal's made. So now I'm just gonna vary, you're not gonna get impatient, and start working your stars in individually. If you notice a crease comes up on them, just kind of lift them up and place them to where they need to be. Like here you see I've got stars here a little bit everywhere. I'm gonna put this one here, this one here, this one here. Now we're gonna start trying to pull some of them up and replace them. Stars stay where they're at. We'll get them up here, and you notice some of my stars come up with it. That's fine. Because now I can go back in here and place them where I want them. Okay. Now we just got a couple little stars we got to put in here. Looks like we got an extra one there somehow or another. Be gentle when you pull your tape back. Be real careful, just work it slowly and make sure it don't pull none of the edges. I usually work this way, and that way you're not pulling on any of your fingers. And you pull it on back. Now this area here, you can barely take your finger and just barely work it in. Just easily work it in. Once you get this thing worked in, you can take you a little bit of a heat gun, and you can heat it and warm it up, and you should be good to go.